So you go on your cruise vacation, you have a great vacation. It's perfect in every way. And then you get home and you find that you have a bill, a very, very expensive bill that you were not expecting, and it is all caused by a very teeny tiny mistake that, believe it or not, happens more often than you think. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Today is day number 12. 12 more days till we are back out on a cruise ship. And every day we are getting one step closer. I am getting that much more excited. I think I may just explode before next week even gets here in anticipation of finally getting back on a cruise ship. It has been so long, I honestly cannot wait. But first, let's talk about today's cruise tip and that very expensive bill that unfortunately has hit way more than one person over the years, and that's your cell phone bill. Look, just like when you're riding on an airplane, when you get on a cruise ship, you've got to remember to put your cell phones in airplane mode. You do not want to see that cell phone bill. When you get out into the ocean, your phone goes to roaming. It's roaming in a foreign country, and it's roaming for 7 days straight, still trying to receive text messages and phone calls, and those charges are going up and up and up and up, and it is not unheard of for people to get home and find themselves with thousands of dollars worth of charges on their cell phone bill simply because they forgot to put it in airplane mode. And it seems very, very simple, and it seems like that should be something that people commonly know, but like I said, it does happen and it does occur. And I can kind of see it, especially if you are a first-time cruiser. You get on that cruise ship and there's so much to see and so much to look at and so much going on when you first get on board that cruise ship that the last thing you are thinking about is putting your phone in airplane mode as that ship sails away from the port. But it's something I definitely recommend you remember to do, even if you got to put a little note for yourself, maybe put an alarm on your phone to go off at, right at sail away time. That way you can, put it in airplane mode, boop, click it over and save yourself a ton, and I mean a ton of money, because nothing is worse to have a perfect vacation and come home to $1,000 cell phone bill. That can really put a dampener on that memory. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise tip video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.